Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this tutorial we're going to talk about list comprehension combined with if-else statement. Okay, basically what we try to do is that we want to multiply the even numbers by 2 and the odd numbers by 3 in our input list, and then store them one by one in the output list. Okay, so in the basic and simple way, we can do it with a for loop and an if statement inside. Okay, so we can say for E in input list, we can check if E mode 2 equals to 0. It means that if the E is an even number, we can say output that append, it's output list, that append E times 2, else, or on the other hand, we can say output list that append E times 3. Oops, times 3. Okay. If we print out the output list, we're going to have this. Okay. As you can see, we multiply the even number by 2. 8 times 2 is 16. And the odd number by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay. Also, we can use list comprehension technique combined with an if-else statement for doing this. Here we go. I delete these lines of code. I keep the print statement, and here we go. Okay, we can say that E times 2, if E mode 2 equals to 0, else E times 3 for E in input list. Simple as that. Okay, if we run it again, we can see that we got the list that we were looking for. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.